Biodivergent Sights and Sounds, led by multidisciplinary artist Eleanor Rowlands, is an investigation and a journey. An autoethnographic investigation of place, of waterways, and of autism as a cultural identity. A journey led by a neurodivergent voice, encountering nature through prolific and colourful, magical, ritualistic and repetitive methods of making, layering and pattern finding. Mooring first in Leeds, Eleanor presented an exhibition of paintings at Cole's Gallery, inviting the local community to encounter colour and light through journeying and autistic stimming. Back in London, Eleanor spent time with Canal and River Trust volunteers, on the towpath and in the boat, cleaning, planting, preserving the landscape. Ripples began to spread. Along the way, Eleanor collaborated with other neurodivergent musicians, reflecting together and apart on the quiet and calm of the canals, meandering unhurried through the urgency and rush of city life. Local schoolchildren took part in an autistic and ADHD-led arts and music making workshop. Exploring the texture of sound found in the natural landscape and environment around Harlesden Canal. An exhibition of paintings by Eleanor, exhibited at Kentish Town Health Centre by Creative Health Camden until December 2023, features responses to the local stories and sounds found around London's waterways.
Wow, what an amazing exhibition, Eleanor. I love it. I'm mesmerised by some of your pieces. I just love them. I'm spellbound. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's wonderful.
Pretty special and spectacular, and then you've got Dreaming Beyond the Glass, which I thought I would use this image because your face is in it, and I think that's kind of also, it does look like reflections on glass, so that's really nice. I put the second kind of version to you, which is,
I think that's a great metaphor for how I felt like as a child. Like people could still
All these experimentations with sound and texture, found, gathered and created, have contributed to a series of scenographic, sensory soundscapes and an interactive map of Harlesden Canalside, produced by Eleanor Rowlands in collaboration with a creative technologist, Charles Matthews.